Welcome back. Today I will be telling you about an amazing trick in an iPhone which has been recently released with iOS 18 version known as hide distracting items. So now while browsing through Safari, they have given you an option to hide distracting items. So for example, I will go to this website. So for example, I need to hide the privacy icon. So just click here, hide distracting items, and select what you want to hide. I will select this and I will press hide and press done. So now how to bring it back? Just again click this icon and press show hidden items and press show. So it will show everything as it was in original position earlier.